Weather with meteorologist Brant Beckman.
Quickly, here's the current temperatures as you walk out the door. 46 degrees up in Faith. A few showers streaming through the area. 36 down in Pine Ridge and 39 degrees out towards Rapid City Airport. Here's the showers that we're looking at this morning. Still kind of hanging around the Faith area, really not wanting to go away. Buffalo seeing more of those showers as well. That's going to be on and off as we move throughout the day. Now, for those of you that are eating breakfast, that are just about to head out the door, give me 3 minutes of your time. I do have important information for you starting right now. Blizzard warning starting at 6 a.m. tomorrow. That's going to be for 9 to 15 inches of snow, up to 55-mile-per-hour winds, and that stretches all the way as far as you can see on Interstate 90, stretching out towards Sioux Falls. If you have travel plans, you're going to want to really look at those carefully. As we move up towards the Rapid City and Sturgis area, we are not under a blizzard warning. We are under a winter storm warning. That does not mean that there will not be blowing snow. In fact, this could be upgraded to a blizzard warning over the next 24 hours. Pay attention to that one. 8 to 15 inches of snow with at least up to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there. So as we're moving towards the Black Hills region, central and northern Black Hills, 12 to 17 inches of snow will be possible, given the fact that snow will transition more early. For the higher elevations, you're going to see more snow. 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts blowing snow will be possible for those regions. As we move south, talking about Fall River and Custer County, 6 to 12 inches of snow, Hot Springs area. Now, as you head towards the areas of Wyoming, heading into this area, we could see a little bit of a dip in precipitation and snow totals out there. So maybe around the 2 to 6 inch range in Newcastle, Wyoming. But for the general area, looking at 6 to 9 inches of snow, 35-mile-per-hour winds. That is still going to cause blowing snow, less impacts, but that does not mean no impacts. Here we go. Between Faith, stretching all the way down to Belle Fourche, 6 to 10 inches of snow with 40-mile-per-hour winds. That should be starting at 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Ekalaka, Carter County, we have this starting at 9 p.m. tonight. So you guys will have to get your preparations done a little bit earlier. Transition looks likely. For those in calving season, we're talking about rain that's going to be transitioning over to snow and gusty winds. That's something we're going to have to pay attention to in the overnight hours. Winter weather advisories for the northern portion of our area, Buffalo, going into Bison, Perkins, and Harding County. That's for 2 to 6 inches of snow. You're going to have very high variation with those accumulations. Let's look at this map here. 1 to 4 inches of snow looks likely as you head up towards the North Dakota border. There's going to be a very distinct cutoff here. Heavy snow below it, almost nothing at all as you go north of it. 8 to 15 inches of snow looks likely for the central and northern hills, Rapid City in that 6 to 10 inch range. There's that dry slot we're looking at. That could shift a little bit, but right now it looks like Newcastle is going to be the area that sees that dry slot. Pine Ridge, Martin, you guys could see some very heavy snow, and unfortunately, we know there is flooding issues down there. This is one you're going to have to pay attention to very closely. Today, 59 degrees, breezy conditions. Tonight is when things start to pick up. We're talking about perhaps some tiny hail in that thunder, transitioning at midnight to snow. Tomorrow, windy conditions, hazardous if not impossible travel. Keep this in mind. We're going to keep you guys updated on News Center 1.